Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kris Elisa if you're new, and today's video is going to be on this Valentine's Day slay look. I feel like a pink princess or something. I'm not really sure, but I'm feeling it. I thought I'd film this look that would be perfect for Valentine's Day, so if you want to see what products I use and just hang out with me while I do my makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so for this Valentine's Day look, we are going to use Modern Renaissance by Anastasia, Beverly Hills, possibly this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Neutrals 2 palette, and then also the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Ginger Binge Moscow Mule. So we're just gonna mix and match for this pink Valentine's Day vibe. So first I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna use some concealer and this NYX waterproof eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use the Maybelline loose finishing powder in the shade Deep. Just a little bit of this to set. So we're going to move into the eyes. Now I want to use 1, 2, and 3 possibly. But then there's also some really nice colors in here. I don't know. I decided to go ahead and just do one eye so that way I know what I'm actually doing. And I only used the Modern Renaissance and the Fenty Killawatt. So I just took Love Letter in my crease, Venetian Red and Red Ochre kind of on the outer edge, and then I did a semi-cut crease and I used, let's see, Moscow Mule. So right now I'm going to go in with Love Letter and just put that all over my crease. I'm going to go in with Venetian Red and Red Ochre on outer edge and more in the crease. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Killawatt in Moscow Mule for the lids. The lashes are by Salon Perfect in the number 614. So I'm going to use Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation in the shade D70 Cappuccino. For concealer, we're going to use Maybelline FitMe Concealer in the shade 30 Cafe. MAC Radiance has a new contour palette. This is the Dark to Deep, and I picked it up today, so I'm excited to try this. This is how it looks. This contour shade looks so dark. This is perfect for all my chocolate beauties. This is medium to dark. Obviously, I love the contour shade. And then this is dark to deep. So, side by side. So I'm going to use this one today. So you do not need a lot of this. You don't. So I'm just going to do a little tap, dust it off, and go in. I want to warm it up a little bit. So I'm going to take my Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer, and I heard this is no longer available on Amazon, so I don't know what I'm gonna do when this runs out. This is the finished look. I feel like a pink princess or something, but I'm really feeling this. On my lips, I used the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. For my highlight, I used the same color that I have on my lid, which is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt in Moscow Mule. So this is our Valentine's Day sleigh vibe. I'm feeling it. Should I add some gloss? I think I'm just going to go ahead and add my Fenty Beauty Gloss because why not? So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I upload twice a week on Wednesdays and Sundays, so make sure you're subscribed. That way you can keep up with what's going on my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend. Let me know how you feel about this look. Also, let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I personally am going to Tennessee, but even if you're just gonna have a chill day, you can still get cute for no reason. Go out with your girlfriends or just slay your face just because. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. So yeah, that is all I have for this video, and I hope to see you in my next one.